Interwebs, brother Mike. Going to show you a very quick video of these two sweet e-bikes that I'm blessed to have. Coast Cycles Buzzraw 1000 watt mid-drive motor, and we have the Super 73 500 watt hub motor with a nice color scheme. Both got 48 volt batteries. This one's 13.5 amp, this one's 16 amp. Both got 20-inch rims and tires. V Tire Company versus Innova Tire. 36 tooth front chainring on the Super 73. This one's got a 46 tooth, which I am going to change. This one's got about 8 gears, which is sweet. 1 gear on this one. I believe on the original Super 73 you have a mid-drive motor as well, but this is not that one. Both of these bikes are super fun to ride. When I'm on either one, I have a smile from ear to ear. Believe that. A little bit longer seat on the Buzzraw. I'll probably make one or buy the other one. Don't know yet. You can see these bikes are completely filthy, which I like because I ride these things a lot around trails around here and through the mud and the snow when it was snowing out, and the water and wherever else I feel I need to be. But I like riding these things, not cleaning them. Front rack, foot pegs. I know that this company here, Lithium Cycle, will have some of these other accessories soon. I know they got some now. This company's got a few more accessories online, and that's it. Real briefly, the only reason I got this is because while I was waiting for this, watching everyone make cool videos, riding on the beach and going up mountains and downstairs and doing jumps off curbs, I got ants in the pants and got this because Lithium was out of bikes, which was a great problem to have, and the other company that sold this bike was out of stock as well, so I went right to the company in Singapore, and they were very gracious to me, and they gave me that front rack, they gave me those pegs, they gave me another set of street tires, and they gave me something else too, which I thought was very cool. And that's it for now. Hope you enjoy this. Ask me any question you'd like, and I'll help you out the best I can. Like I said, these are both super sweet electric bikes. I'm new to the electric bike world. I think it's given me a whole another passion to ride bikes again. These things are fun as all get out, and like I said, I smile when I'm riding these bikes. And I know you all do too. So thanks for watching this video. There'll be another one coming with pros and cons, but for now this is the first video I'm going to make. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye now.